I hope you can see by now the drawbacks of solving a linear system of equations by graphing. The graphs must be drawn very neatly for you to be able to correctly guess the point of intersection. And there are other problems. If you're guessing parallel, you've actually really got to check through your equations. So we have two algebraic methods for solving systems of linear equations that we will look at. One is by substitution, the other is by addition, sometimes called elimination method. Let's solve this system of equations by the substitution method. To do so, look at your equations, and we need one equation solved for one of its variables. It just so happens that the second equation is solved for y. Y is equal to x plus 5. So I will substitute x plus 5 for y in the other equation. So I'll rewrite the other equation, 3x minus 2 times. I will not write down y. Instead of y, I'll write down x plus 5. Because we're given here that y is equal to x plus 5. So 3x minus 2 times x plus 5 is equal to negative 14. Now notice we have an equation in one variable, x. Let's solve this equation for x. So that's 3x. Let's use the distributive property here. That's minus 2x minus 10 is equal to negative 14. 3x minus 2x is x minus 10 is equal to negative 14. And then if I add 10 to both sides, now actually write that down if you need to, but if I add 10 to the left side, I have simply x, and then on the right side, negative 14 plus 10 is negative 4. So notice I have an x value. This is the x coordinate then of the solution of our system. So remember that x is negative 4. What do we know thus far then? We know that x is negative 4. That is the x value or x coordinate of the point of solution here. How do we find the y value? You can let x be negative 4 here or here and solve for y. It makes no difference. I'll use this equation. It looks a bit simpler. Y is equal to x plus 5. So y is equal to x is negative 4 plus 5, or y is 1. So there, this system does have one solution. The solution, it's an ordered pair solution, has coordinates negative 4, 1. How can you check? Let x be negative 4, y be 1. See that a true statement results here, and you must do the same thing here. But it will, and that's the solution.